No?
Doesn't work.
Okay, there we go.
They work.
Ooh.
Deck 10, 16,
oh, we have
34.
like 2 vanities.
What?
Look at this.
What do you
Well,
mean?
it's not a vanity, but you can sit down too.
It's so cold in
It
here.
feels really nice in here.
Oh,
man.
That's sweet. That is nice. 2 vanities.
Yeah. I mean, there's no
Cool.
mirror here, but you can still sit.
Yeah.
Let's see, what else is there? So we are in room 1634, deck 10 of Voyager of the Seas. This is a junior suite. The first thing that we noticed when we walked in is there's the vanity area, and then there's another, I hesitate to call it a vanity, but a place that you can at least sit down, and maybe a desk. That's more of a desk. Let's see, we have 2 American outlets, a European outlet. I'm not seeing anything else right now, but this is our first cruise as Emerald Crown and Anchor Society members, so we get our welcome aboard water, so that's nice. Let's see, a Royal King bed. Check out if there's any additional plugs or anything. I'm not seeing anything immediately, but that's kind of typical for this class of ship, to not have any plugs next to the bed. We have a nice little seating area with a sofa and 2 chairs. And then of course a balcony, which we have to check that out. Let's see, it's a little different. So pretty nice balcony. We've got 2 chairs that have a reclinable back and a table and some extra space. So it's a pretty nice balcony. Looking at Galveston right now, but we're looking forward to looking at Costa Maya in 2 days. One thing that we did notice is instead of the glass panels that you normally see in between balconies, we do have a more of a solid wall. I know that when you have the glass panels, that if you have somebody next door to you, you can take, I think you can take the panels out and have a larger balcony, but that would not be an option for this room. So some other perks of the room, we've got a safe. It's a little small, but you can keep any valuables in there. Would not be able to hold a computer. We've got the espresso machine, which is a junior suite and up perk, I believe. Anything below a junior suite will not have the coffee machine. But let's see, do we have a cooler? Yep, we've got a cooler. No ice maker in there, so it won't get too cold, but it'll store your drinks for you. So just next to the vanity, some shelves, which we love to put our packing cubes on for some easy unpacking. But another perk of the junior suite is a very nice closet space. Let's see. Yep, we have our closet. So more shelves. That's what we like to use for towel animal storage. And finally, the bathroom. And since it is a junior suite, we have the bathtub with the separate shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel products instead of the 2-in-1 that you get in a balcony or interior room. Well, we hope you enjoyed our room tour of room 1634 on Voyager of the Seas, and we hope it helps you out.